Papua New Guinea, 2027 them come. One vote, one voice, one future. NOKEN SALIM vote belong you. Hey! Election time he come, you me all get a mass thinking good. How about you me Makim, leader belong, look out him you me. Noken guria lo money, noken guria lo kago, noken harem gya man power him you hold him. Long hand belong you yet. 500 kina buy pennies long one pela day. You harem me, one pela day, that's all. 1,000 kina buy pennies long one pela week. That's all thing him this pela good. Vote belong you. Me know something belong Salim. Vote belong you. Me voice belong you. Vote belong you. By any sim sing down belong you. So before you kiss him money, before you kiss him cargo, before you had him all promise belong campaign. Think good. You like him 500 kina belong one pela day. Oh you like him good pela sing down belong 5 pela yar. Like belong you. Because power is the long hand belong you. NOKEN SALIM vote, NOKEN SALIM vote. Vote belong you and future belong you. NOKEN SALIM vote, NOKEN SALIM vote. You know can buy this pela 5 year pay na heavy. Think before you vote Papua New Guinea. Look how long pass in a walk belong man. NOKEN SALIM vote belong you. You me like him good pela leader belong. Good pela sit down. Bribe him by come just for a day. That's all heavy and by stop long 5 pela year. Rice not in piss he must stop now. Na let him rot na house he keep come up all by talk. Me by help him you. Long time belong campaign ta soul. Na long time all kiss him seat. Sorry poromis by Popaya. Hire him good Papua New Guinea. Bribe me something belong one pela day. That's all heavy by stopping up long 5 pela year. Rice by pennies, things by pennies, money by pennies. Just all one them by stuff. Roti no come up, housing no got marathing, school no come up. So ask him you yet. This pela leader by make him one them long you me. No can look that's so long money. No can look that's so long cargo. Look long walk, look long passing. Look long through pela leader. Before you vote, think good. One them long old bikini. Buy all them one them long tomorrow. Buy all them one them long this pela country. You me no can put it. Stand up strong na making leader. No can vote him money na cargo. Buy you me Salim vote. People no got. Buy you me kiss him bribe. No got. You me like him one them good pela leader. You me like him one them true pela leader. You me like him one them more good pela sit down. You like him corruption. No got. You me like him development. Yes. You me like him what them can love PNG. Good pela future. Buy him come up him said it's so long. NOKEN SALIM vote. Both belong you and future belong you. NOKEN SALIM vote. You know can buy him this pela 5 year pay na heavy. Long lick money. NOKEN SALIM 5 pela year belong you. Long money belong one pela day. Look good. Had them good. Now make him good leader. No side by. Come up him. Good pela senes. Papua New Guinea. Listen. This pela vote him belong you. He no belong politician. He no blow businessman. Him belong you. You got power long and belong you. NOKEN SALIM. This pela power. Long one pela lick money. NOKEN SALIM. This pela future. Long one pela lick cargo. Thing him all bikini belong you be. Thing him community belong you me. Thing him country belong you me. Before you mack him man. Before you mack him Mac long ballot paper. Ask him you yet. Buy him kama pingi seni sonogan. Ting ting. Your voice, your voice, your future. Your voice, your voice, your future. Your voice, your voice, your future. Noken Salim vote, Noken Salim vote. Vote belong you and future belong you. Noken Salim vote, Noken Salim vote. You know can mind this fella 5 yard pain na heavy. Think before you vote, Papua New Guinea. Look so long past and no walk belong man. Noken Salim vote belong you. You me like him, good fella, leader. Belong good fella, sit down. You got one fella vote. You got one fella voice. Noken Salim money belong one fella day. He said this in future belong 5 fella, yeah. Think before you vote. Mack him leader, long service. Mack him leader, long honesty. Mack him true fella leader. Papua New Guinea. Noken Salim vote belong you. Your vote is your future.